Always consult the current maintenance manual and/or technical service document prior to performing maintenance. Inspect surfaces that will come in contact with Av-DEC sealant material and take corrective action based on current maintenance manual requirements. Clean the area where sealant is to be applied with a solvent-dampened cloth followed by a clean dry cloth to remove any remaining paint, dust, grease, fingerprints, or any other contamination prior to installation. Mask off the area where sealant will be applied. Check the expiration date prior to opening the sealant package. Place rectangular flange of dual cartridge into grooves on top of dispenser and slide cartridge into place. Lower cartridge retainer over flange of cartridge until it locks in place. Remove nose plug. Attach mixing straw to cartridge by inserting over cartridge tip and rotating a quarter turn clockwise until locked. Proper priming is critical for product performance. Hold sealant dispenser with mixing straw upright. Completely fill mixing straw by squeezing trigger of dispenser. Over a suitable waste container with mixing straw pointing upward at a 45-degree angle and resin side over the hardener side, prime mixing element by dispensing one full trigger pull of sealant into the waste container to remove air bubbles from the cartridge. Keeping the mixing straw pointing upward at a 45-degree angle, rotate the cartridge 180 degrees so that the hardener side is over resin side and dispense one more trigger pull of sealant into the waste container to remove air bubbles from the opposite side of the cartridge. Once priming is complete, dispense sealant immediately, as sealant can begin to gel inside the mixing straw. If dispensing is halted for more than 30 seconds, install a new mixing straw on the sealant cartridge and reprime. Apply sealant to the area to be coated using slightly more sealant than is necessary to ensure sufficient coverage. Using a squeegee, smooth the sealant to the desired shape. Using an isopropyl alcohol soaked cloth, clean the shaping tool. Once sealing is complete, remove masking material as soon as possible as the sealant gels rapidly. When finished, if necessary, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol. Using your finger covered in isopropyl alcohol, gently touch up the sealant as necessary.